So in the last class, we had seen the marathon story. Yes or no? Yeah. So whenever you want to talk, you can unlock and unmute and talk. Okay. Otherwise, when you don't want to say anything, just show your thumb. That's enough. So Adira, you may unmute and say, what did we study or what did we discuss in the last class?
Understand grammar.
Yeah, understand grammar. Adjectives, that is also degrees of comparison. We are just seen, I think, yes? Okay. Okay, that's it. Let us take the page number 66. Page number 66. So how many parts of speech are there? Last class we discussed that. How many parts of speech are there? Sri Vishnu, unmute and say. Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu.
Part of speech.
How many parts of speech? Tenses are 3, but parts of speech are
4.
8. 8 parts of speech, okay? Everybody listen carefully. We have to proceed with it and we have to speed up a little bit also. And so there are 8 parts of speech. Once again, I'll repeat that. Noun, pronoun, adjective. Once again, noun, pronoun, and adjective. Verb and adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Total 8 are there, okay? First one noun, second one pronoun, third one adjective, fourth one verb, fifth one adverb, sixth one preposition, seventh one conjunction, and last one eighth is interjection. Conjunction, next one, last one is interjection. Okay? That's it. These are 8. And here we have the third one in the order, noun, pronoun, adjective. Adjective is here. Adjective define or give more information about the nouns or pronouns that they refer to. Adjectives can be used to compare one thing with another. So you see, adjective tells something more about a noun or a pronoun. ഒരു നൗണിനെ കുറിച്ചോ പ്രോനൗണിനെ കുറിച്ചോ കുറച്ചുകൂടി എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ പറയുന്നതാണ് എന്ത്? Adjective. നാമവിശേഷണം, we say in Malayalam. Okay? You see, this is a flower. Flower is a noun. About that one we say, what do we say? This is a beautiful flower. We are telling something more about that flower. What is that? Beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective that tells something about the verb. Sorry, noun. Which is that noun? Flower. Okay, beautiful flower. Good boy. Happy girl. No? So these are what are called adjectives. Did you understand? Okay, do you understand? If you understand, you show me your thumb. Otherwise, I cannot make it sure. Okay. If any doubt is there, you can unmute and ask anytime. Okay. So, when we use adjectives, there are some 3 degrees of comparison. Compare means what? What is meant by compare, comparison, or comparing?
താരതമ്യം ചെയ്യുക.
അതെ, correct. താരതമ്യം ചെയ്യുക. Which is better, that one or this one? Like this, that is what is called comparison. So 3 degrees of comparison are there. What are those 3 degrees? Positive degree, comparative degree, and the last one, superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and the last one, superlative. So what we say normally is in positive degree. Okay, this is a good text. So that good is the word. So when we compare that one, we use better. This book is better than that. And when we use the superlative, the topmost, we say, this is the best book. Okay, so good, better, best, tall, taller, tallest, high, higher, highest. In such a way we discuss. Yeah, okay, that's it. Now see there, once again that the first dot in that page number 66 down, the positive degree is the form used when no comparison is made. The Athenians took a strong position on the hills. The word in italic is strong. Yes or no? Strong is an adjective, that is positive degree. Yeah, that's it. Next one, comparative. The comparative degree is used to describe something or someone in relation to another person or thing. That batch is heavier than this one. Heavier. So heavy, second form, heavier. Okay? Heavier than this one. This rope is stronger than that one. Stronger. Strong, stronger. Okay? Arjun Piraj, do you follow me? Arjun, can you hear me? Okay, the next one. Superlative degree is used to describe someone or something in relation to the whole group. This the is used with the superlatives. Is cricket the most popular sport in India? Most popular. Popular, more popular, most popular. Ready? So one thing I want to confirm whether it's Heaven, Sri Vishnu, and Nijal. Your videos are still not on. Any problem with the video? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, unmute and say.
സാർ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. എന്റെ വീഡിയോന് നെറ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം ആയിട്ട്
Ah,
ഞാൻ ഓഫ് ആക്കുന്നതല്ല, ഇത് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി ഓഫ് ആയി പോകുന്നതാണ്
അതെയോ?
നെറ്റിന്റെ.
What about Heaven?
സാറേ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ആക്കുമ്പോ ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല.
Heaven, ah?
മിസ് ഞാൻ പെണ്ണെടുക്കാൻ പോയതാ.
Okay.
പെണ്ണെടുക്കാൻ പോയതാ.
Now okay. Nijaz?
വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ആക്കുമ്പോ ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല.
ആ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞതല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. ഫോളോ ചെയ്യണേ, കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കും, അവിടെ തന്നെ കാണണേ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ positive degree, that down there again, delicious, comparative more delicious, superlative most delicious, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Have you any doubt in that portion? Do you have any doubts? No doubts, okay. So we proceed to the next page, 67th page. Take a pen with you. We shall tick. Have you done that one? No, okay. So tick the correct option. Many people think that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the dash team captain we have ever had. Many people think that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the dash team captain we have ever seen. More successful than successful, more successful, most successful. What will be the correct answer?
ഡി.
D?
ഡി.
Yeah, good. It's D. Most successful. You can tick there. Most successful. So Mahendra Singh, now many people think that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the most successful team captain we have ever seen. Clear, everyone? Next one. Second one, also in connection with the sports. Cristiano Ronaldo. won the FIFA Ballon d'Or award 2013 as the world's dash football player. Cristiano Ronaldo won the FIFA Ballon d'Or award in 2013 as the world's dash football player. Best, better, more, better than, better than.
A.
Good, it's a best, best. Yeah, best. Tickets. World's best football player. Who is the other one player, football player who is always getting the same awards with Cristiano Ronaldo? Yeah, Lionel Messi. Yes or no? Okay. Next one, third one. Anushka finds reading dash than watching television. Anushka finds reading dash than watching television. Do you like to watch television? Do you like to watch television? Yeah, normally people, students, all, everyone likes. Nowadays, a lot of programs are there. Yes or no? Be it cinemas or reality shows or news or sports or even serials. No? How many of you watch serials? No? Serials? No. Joanna, do you watch serials? Joanna, do you like? Do you watch serials? No. Okay. So Anushka finds reading dash than watching television. What is correct one?
B.
B. Correct. More interesting. B. More interesting. Anushka finds reading more interesting than watching television. Clear? Next one. Do you think speaking Assamese is dash writing it? Assamese is a language. In which state do people talk Assamese? In which state? Good. Assam. Where? It's spoken in Assam. What is our mother tongue in Kerala? Malayalam. In the same way, in Assam, it is Assamese. Okay, so here it is. Do you think speaking Assamese is dash writing it? The easiest, easier than, easy, easiest than.
C.
See, do you think speaking Assamese
B.
easy? It's
B.
B, correct. Not C, it is B. Easier than writing it. Okay, so how many have been completed? First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. We have two more left.
സാർ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഒന്നുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ? അത് കിട്ടിയില്ലായിരുന്നു.
Okay, ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയാം. First one, D is the correct answer. D, most successful. D. Others also you can check. First one D, second one A, best. Third one B, more interesting. Fourth one again B, easier than. Easier than. Okay. Now the fifth one. Meet Kanglein Gangba Kshetrimayum, the brave heart from Manipur who dash No, sorry. Who saved two kids from drowning in a pond? What is drowning?
മുങ്ങിത്താം.
Mungitaruga. Okay. Yeah, mungitaruga. For people, we say drowning. Okay, drown. But for things, we say sing. Okay, എന്തെങ്കിലും വസ്തുക്കളാണ് വെള്ളത്തിൽ മുങ്ങി പോകുന്നതെങ്കിൽ we say sing, singing, sang. Okay, it is sang in water, we say. So here it is, people. So meet Kanglein Gangba Shetri Mayum. It's a tough name to read, yes or no? Because northeastern states from Manipur, that dash Braveheart. What is Braveheart? Brilliant and courageous. Yeah, courageous. Okay. Dhairashali, Buddhishali. Braveheart from Manipur, who saved two kids from drowning in a pond. വെള്ളത്തിൽ പോണ്ടിൽ കുളത്തിൽ മുങ്ങി താന്ന മുങ്ങിൽ മരിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയ രണ്ട് കുട്ടികളെ ചാടി രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തിയ ബോയാണ്. Okay, or Braveheart. So here, younger than, let's see, younger than, most young, more young.
B.
B അല്ലേ?
B, do you say B?
No, D.
D?
Younger.
Younger.
D younger.
No, it is D, young. Why? Because it is just an explanation given to that. Meet Kanglein Gamba Kshetrimayum, the young Braveheart from Manipur who saved two kids from drowning in a pond. Young, D. Okay. And the last one, Malakham, a form of gymnastic, is one of the dash Indian sports. Malakham is the pole on which gymnastics turn, stretch, twist, and balance. Have you seen gymnastics? Have you seen gymnastics, especially in Olympics and so on? Gymnastic competition is there. We feel that they don't have any bonds. Such a way they will turn here and there, and in a sort of dance also, artistic. Many types are there. So Malakham is a form of gymnastics, is one of the dash Indian sports. Ancient, ancient than, most ancient, more ancient. Is one of the,
Ancient ഇല്ലേ?
ancient is wrong.
B.
It's B,
Ancient.
B, most ancient. Most ancient. Malakham, a form of gymnastics, is one of the most ancient Indian sports. Okay? So you got the answers. Let's now go to the down portion. Use grammar. Use grammar. Here, Jiva George, look at the screen and say the spelling of grammar.
Grammar.
Yeah, GRAMMER or AR. That's what my doubt is. Yeah, it's AR, okay? GRAMMAR. Most of the time, many people misunderstand that, misspell that. Okay, what is that? GRAMMER, many say, but that is wrong. GRAMMAR is right. Okay, now here is something given. Let us just read and see. Work in groups of 4. Frame 10 questions on sports using the adjectives in the box. You must know the answers to your questions. You can consult books, magazines, etc. Here, Joel Reginald, unmute and read that words in the box.
Best.
Best,
Longest.
longest,
Highest.
highest,
most successful,
Yeah, most successful,
quickest,
quickest,
fastest,
fastest,
shortest,
shortest,
more tiring,
more tiring. Ah,
greatest.
greatest. Okay. So these are some words you can use, or you can frame questions, 10 questions using these adjectives in the box. Try only, not necessarily, because we are not in a regular class here, and so we cannot work in a group of 4. Okay. So there's a change. You can do it yourself. 10 questions, no need. By using any of these, how many words are given there? 5, 9 are there. 9 words are there in the box, and using any 5, you can use any 5 and make some questions. Okay. For the next one, till in the, I mean, the afternoon class, you may write that one and I will make you read it. Do you understand? For example, here fastest is one word there. I will give you one example. Once again, frame 10 questions on sports using the adjectives in the box. Sports, you are all familiar with the sports. You all like sports very much. Especially 6th, 7th students are very much interested in sports, I think. I hear like that. Is it right? Of course, naturally. Yes, good. So using any sport or any games, you can make some 5 questions. Here 10 is given. I reduce that one. You use any 4, any 5 and make 5 of it. Okay. Suppose fastest. What is the question? Who is the fastest runner in the world?
Usain
Fastest.
Bolt.
Yeah, Usain Bolt. Very good. Usain Bolt. Okay. Recently he retired. Then also his record is not at broken. He is the fastest so far. Okay. So who is the fastest? That is the question. Like that 5 questions you have to frame. Do you understand? Not only fastest, any you can use. Clear? So in the afternoon class, I will make you read it. Just listen, everybody. Let's.
ഏതെങ്കിലും question എഴുതിയാ മതിയോ?
ഏതാ ഒന്നോട് ചോദിച്ചോ?
ഏതെങ്കിലും
ഏതെങ്കിലും
question
ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ
എഴുതിയാ
മതി.
മതിയോ?
ഏതെങ്കിലും സ്പോർട്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഈ വാക്കുകൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച്. ഞാനിപ്പോ ഒരെണ്ണത്തിൽ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ചോദിച്ചില്ലേ, ഹു ഇസ് ദ ഫാസ്റ്റസ്റ്റ് റണ്ണർ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചില്ലേ?
സ്പോർട്സിന്റെ തന്നെ എഴുതണം.
സ്പോർട്സിന്റെ തന്നെയാണ് വേണ്ടത്. ഓൺ സ്പോർട്സ് എന്ന് അവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് സ്പോർട്സ് കൊണ്ട് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യുക. ഇഫ് യു ഡോണ്ട് ഗെറ്റ് യൂസ് അതർ സോഴ്സ്, നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. സ്പോർട്സ് കിട്ടുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് ആയാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. റെഗുലർ വൺസ്. ഓക്കെ. സോ ആതിര പി ഈസ് പ്രസന്റ്. Justice present. Here, Sri Vishnu present. Joanna. Joel. Then Jiva. Heaven. Nijal. So Sri Vishnu present. Nizad. If anybody's name is not called, tell me. Sri Vishnu, Nizad, Justice, Joanna, Joel, Jiva, Heaven, and Adira. All are there, okay? Then turn the page to 68. So that is another lesson. Okay, we don't have the time left. We can proceed with it, I think, no problem. But the thing is that is there any doubt in the previous lesson, section 1? No problem. So all understood now? So when you read in the afternoon also, I mean after this class also, if any doubt is there, you can ask, okay? So that homework also you try to do, and if you don't get, I will explain, no problem. Once again, okay? But you have to try, that is very important. And next we shall start the next lesson directly. Page number 68, section 2, the unbreakable. THE, how do you read? Yeah, da we say, normally we say da. THE, da we say. Sometimes we read it as the also. Yeah, why? Because so, how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? 5. Okay, 5 vowels are there, you know, A, E, I, O, U. Before that, any word using these vowels, starting with these vowels, any word that is started with these vowels, before that we read this one as THE as the. Before a vowel sound, we use the. For other ones, other 21, we read it as the. For example, the orange, because O is a vowel. Yes or no? The orange. The apple. The ink pot. The ice cream. The mango, because M we start with the M, not a vowel. So the mango, the pen, the pig, the dog, the unbreakable, the unbreakable, U, starting with U and A is the sound. Yes or no? So the unbreakable. Clear? What is unbreakable or what is breakable?
ബ്രേക്കബിൾ
Ah.
ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, തകർക്കാൻ പറ്റും.
Good.
അൺബ്രേക്കബിൾ
Break ചെയ്യാൻ
തകർക്കാൻ
പറ്റുന്നതാണ്.
പറ്റില്ല.
That's it. Good. ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്, അത് പൊട്ടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്, തകർക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ് ബ്രേക്കബിൾ. അൺബ്രേക്കബിൾ, വിച്ച് വി cannot break, തകർക്കാൻ പൊട്ടിക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്തത്. Unbreakable, okay, which we cannot break. So you drink tea or coffee or boost or Horlicks or milk in a glass tumbler, yes or no? In a glass. Can you break that glass? Very easy. What to do?
Yes.
Just put it down. Yes or no? Just put it down or throw. That's enough. It will break. What about some other one? Some iron piece. Iron ball, suppose. Iron ball, big one. Just like what you call for short put, you know, short put. Iron. Can you break that one? Very tough. Of course, with some other materials we can, otherwise it is very tough. So that is what is called unbreakable. Here it is not about that one. Here it is about some records. Okay, in sports, this lesson or this unit is about all sports. And so, some unbreakable. Have you any doubt, Jiva? No, okay. So, these unbreakable records are there. We shall just start the first introduction of that one. Boxer MC Mary Kom won the bronze medal in the 2012 London Olympics and shot to fame. She is a source of inspiration throughout the country. But who inspires her? Where does Mary come from? What are her goals? How did she achieve success? Read on to know more about Magnificent Mary. Magnificent Mary. Okay. Have you heard about Mary Kom? Yes, Mary Kom. Very famous. She is from India. Which state from India? Manipur. Okay, she is from Manipur. And you can see that picture there. What is that sport or that what is that item event?
boxing, yeah.
Yeah, it's boxing. Boxing, okay? Boxing, you know, punching. So above the waist, we punch, especially on the nose, that is a point. So a lot of points are there. This is what is called boxing. So boxing, she is a boxer. Okay. And can you say some other names of women or ladies from sports? Last day we discussed, I think, Sania Mirza.
ഈ ബോക്സിംഗ് മേഖലയിലാണോ?
അല്ലല്ല, ഏത് സ്പോർട്സിലും, എനി സ്പോർട്ട്, ലേഡീസ്, വുമൺ. No one. Sania Mirza, have you heard about? Yeah, Saina Nehwal, have you heard about? Badminton. Sania Mirza, tennis. And PV Sindhu.
Sports.
Yeah, also badminton. Okay, then Maria Sharapova, Serena Williams, they are not from India, they are from other country. Okay, Maria Sharapova from Russia, Venus Williams from America, USA. So these are all, they are also belonging to, or they also play tennis. So these are all famous sports persons from the women fraternity. Okay, so here from India it is Mary Kom. Many are there, of course. We are discussing about Mary Kom. She is very great. Why? Because even after marriage, even after becoming a mother of 2 children, 2 or 3 children, I think. I don't remember. Okay, anyway, after becoming a mother also, she is fighting or she is participating in the sports and winning gold medals also. That's it. Do you understand? That is very great. So she had won a bronze medal in the 2012 London Olympics. Last year, 2020, was supposed to be another Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. Okay, but because of the coronavirus problem, that is postponed. Last year it was supposed to be, but it is now postponed. Maybe this year there will be. Okay, so anyhow, one paragraph we will take now. 5 times world boxing champion Magne Chung Nei